Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power delivery. Plug in the original charger, then try a known good USB-C cable if available, because many failures are just bad cables. Once done, watch for any LED or charging symbol for 30 to 60 seconds. That tells you the battery is accepting current. Remove external drives and peripherals to avoid boot conflicts, and hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a hardware reset. This clears transient states that often block startup. Next, tackle deeper battery and firmware issues. Many Chromebooks have a battery disconnect or a recovery pinhole. Follow your model's method to perform that reset, because a marginalized battery can prevent any power on. If you're comfortable, disconnect the internal battery to force a full power drain. If not, move to firmware recovery. Make a USB recovery stick with the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer, since restoring the firmware can fix corrupted bootloaders and software failures that mimic dead hardware. Finally, use the recovery USB. Insert it, hold ESC plus refresh and press power to enter recovery mode, then follow prompts to reinstall Chrome OS. This often resolves software and firmware faults. If the device still shows nothing, try an alternate charger or a replacement battery to isolate the fault, because chargers and batteries are the most common hardware culprits. If problems persist, record any LEDs, beep patterns, or visible damage and take the Chromebook to a repair center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.